Right, quick simple one, little tech upgrade on this cool 2012 Swampy T5.1. We've got factory dab antenna upgrade, so that's obviously all gone into the mirror. Mirrors come off, taken it all apart, taken out all the standard FM antenna, and then replaced it with the FM and dab. It's all factory equipment. It's all gone in as it should do, and then run through to his Pioneer head unit that he already had fitted. And then we've taken off, which was actually it was a T6.1 wheel, but with the molded and just plastic, but with like a covering over the top, and replaced it with a factory T5.1 multifunction steering wheel. So now he gets all your functionality from the buttons, so in terms of being able to control his Pioneer volume and track selection and things, and then obviously all his trip is now on the wheel itself. And then obviously added to that, it's been refurbed with lovely nappa and perforated leather, so it's a much nicer feel. It's going to make this van loads nicer to use on longer journeys. Let's jump in and have a very quick look. So new wheels in. I'm not sure if you can maybe pick up on the illumination, but that's obviously all working because it's all being wired in, coded in and things like that. This is what he had before. So he had a, let's just turn the volume down. There you go, that demonstrates that working. So he had an old T6 wheel that was just a fully molded plastic, but then obviously this sort of leather covering that was put over the top of it. I guess it's going to feel a bit nicer, but no functionality, doesn't look very nice. So yes, gone back a model, but it suits the van, and you've got, like I said, full functionality of trip, so we can scroll through, change everything. There we go. We've even given him big digital speedo as well. Cycle through everything. Everything works. Everything does its job because it's, you know, what should have been on the van. Especially a nice, you know, decently spec'd van as well. You know, it's got electric sliding doors, everything. So it's a decently spec'd van. Now it completes it and obviously feels loads nicer to use as well. And then, like I said, dab's all in and working. So on his Alpine here, we can go back once it's loaded, and now we can select dab. And we've got, what's that, Radio 2, I think that is. Yeah, there you go, Radio 2's playing, all on dab, all working. So now this chap can drive all the way back to Scotland and just, yeah, have a nice journey home, happy with his new toys and you know, properly spec'd up van. So if you've got a T5.1 or a transporter or anything really, and you want to update your van, improve it in some way, make it more enjoyable to use, because obviously these vans are getting older now, so tech is, you know, getting really old. So stuff needs updating, especially things like audio and stuff like that. So if you've got a van and you've seen something that we can do that you want us to do, then please get in contact, come and see us, have a chat, tell us what you're interested in, and then we'll go from there. In the meantime, keep liking, subscribing, follow us, share all the videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.